James, people. They gone at 8:35. 8:35. Has a failed to stop at the stop sign.
Yeah. Maybe a blockading.
Blockading, and one failed to display. I can check its license.
Thank you.
Just a second, we're gonna see if it's gonna just let them come in. No.
I'm gonna manage the waiting room for a minute, and then it looks like I need the file on Panal Patel.
It's a review. He's supposed to show us some paperwork.
Okay. Good morning, Attorney Taylor.
Good morning, Yana. How you doing?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
Okay. I have a Mr. Pettyway. We want to set it for a bench trial.
Petway? Okay.
Yes.
Give me just a moment. We'll get that done. James Thomas, good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good.
To go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There's going to be a little bit of a wait, okay? For them to get to you, please don't hang up. Don't use the help button. We know you're out there. We know you're waiting. They're just trying to get to you. If you know you need to show them documents like registration, insurance, things like that, and you have those things today, go ahead and gather those while you wait, please. All right, there you go. Go ahead and join that breakout room for me. All right, Attorney Taylor, let me see if Petway is here.
He should be, Yana. I'll talk to him.
He's not. I remember you saying this before, and I don't know if it was the same person that didn't.
I called him. He said he kept dropping off, but I don't understand.
All right. What time was he scheduled for? 9:15?
8:30.
8:30? Okay.
Yeah. Thomas James Seymour Pettway. He got 3 or 4 names.
Is that him? The name, it just says James Thomas. Is he?
That's
James?
him.
Did I just put in the breakout room?
It could have been. Okay, yes. Please bring him back out if that's what you put in
James
there.
Thomas in room 22?
Yes, please. But I just want, we already spoke with him. We just need a bench trial, Yana. I'm sorry. He got confusing names with him. Pettyway, Thomas, James Seymour, you know.
Okay, okay, Mr. Thomas?
Yes,
Is your last name also Petway?
yes,
Okay, this is your attorney, Ed Taylor, Mr. Taylor. Have you spoken with Mr. Taylor?
yes, I have.
Okay, and so he's just getting a new date for you for a bench trial, okay?
Okay.
So then we're gonna do April 29th, Attorney Taylor. Can you do that? April 29th at 9:30?
Let me see that, Yana. Just a second. April, you say April. Where are they going with it? Yeah, that's good, Yana. That's good.
Okay, so we'll see you guys back April 29th at 9:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'll be in touch with you that way. All right, thank you, Yana.
All right, appreciate it.
Uh-huh. Okay, Attorney Ragnon, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm well. Always nice to see you.
Same. What are we doing with your case today?
Well, I need to talk to Mr. Penn, and for some reason, I'm not able to find him. I haven't been in a breakout room. Is he signed in?
I haven't seen him in a breakout room. Now, I will tell you, I've got someone in the waiting room who has named themselves Hot Pepper, and I'm not falling into that trap. So that person is not coming in.
Okay. Well, is there something where when you go
Adam
to
Clerk
the...
tells me that actually is a real person, but it's not. No one should be concerned about, but also doesn't sound like it's your client. Okay.
No, I don't think so. So the join breakout room, when I go to that, it keeps wanting to put me in with the prosecutor in too. Is there something that has to be adjusted that that I can look at different.
It would, but I also don't have your client here. So
Okay,
when you have co-host, oh, now you do. So when you are co-host, you should be able to see all of the rooms, and then
There
you should
you
be able to
go.
move yourself. Okay, there you go. All
thank
right.
you. Maybe we'll wait a little
I do
while
have
to see.
someone, I'm going to let both these folks in. They're both unnamed devices. Cover sensitive eyes and ears, please. Okay. I've got someone on an unnamed iPhone. Please unmute and give me your name, or I do have to remove, please.
Jarrell Treadwell.
Thank you. Spell the first name.
Gerall.
G-E-R.
All.
And then Treadwell, Treadwell.
Correct.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please use the time that you're waiting. There will be a wait to grab insurance and registration documents, things like that. If you need to show them in your case. You're going to room 21. Please hit join.
Another watchman.
All right, now I've got somebody who says hot pepper. I need you to tell me your name, please.
Fallon. I tell you my name, Fallon Pruitt.
Fenelon.
F-A-L-O-N.
Fallon.
And then
P-R-U-I-T-T. You kicked me the break room. Somebody.
Allen, F-A-L-O-N, Pruitt, P-R-U-I-T-T.
thank you.
I have to turn.
Okay, Ms. Pruitt, what I'm going to do is stop your video. I've now stopped your video so that we can hopefully have
I
better
see that.
audio. Okay, now, do you know what breakout room you were in?
No, I don't. I just know somebody kicked me out of it. I had to get back on Zoom.
So if you're answering your phone and things like that, it's going to kick you out.
Nobody answered. Nobody was on my end, ma'am. I just said
Okay.
on that
Okay.
end. Yeah.
Ms. Pruitt, I'm just telling you, I don't know when you say somebody kicked you out. We're not kicking you out of court. All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Please hit join so that you can wait for the attorney to come see you.
Oh.
Is it LaShawn Prater? Ms. Pruitt, go ahead and join the breakout
Yes,
room.
ma'am.
So that
Yes,
the
ma'am.
attorney, please. Okay, Mr. Prater, have you been in to see an attorney yet?
No, ma'am.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No.
All right, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Please hit join when you see the invitation. All right. Panal Patel.
I don't have it. Wow.
Yes,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
Panal
How are
Patel,
you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you this morning?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. I'm going to ask you to start your video if you can. I don't see a way to prompt you to do that.
My cell phone, I'm sorry, my laptop camera is broken. That's why the last couple of reviews, my video hasn't been working, ma'am.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
All right. That's okay. All right. I'm taking a look at your file. You were supposed to get some licensing together. Is that correct?
That is correct, ma'am.
And where do you stand with that right now?
When we met in winter, you had granted us an extension so that we can get a lot of the work done. All of the building work has been done. For example, taking down the old business letters, the old business sign. We've installed the new sign, repaired the chimney. The old fence that was a violation is out. The new 8-foot steel fence that goes around the perimeter of the business, along with an electric motor fence to allow guests to come in, is about 70% done. The plumbing and the electrical in the units does continue. The only major piece of work we have left, which we touched on last time, is the full excavation of the parking lot and redoing the parking lot. And again, for that, I need about 2 good weeks of weather, which is where we stood last time as well.
Gotcha. Okay. Why don't we just go ahead then and set this out this time? How about to July 7th? That'll get us well into the summer and hopefully give time to get everything done.
Everything will be done by then, yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to review, set another review for July 7th. All right. Same
Okay.
time.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. There we go. Thank you. All right, then we'll get to, let's go to Mr. Toro and Mr. Turner, and then Miss Pickens. So Toro, Turner, then Pickens. Mr. Toro, go ahead and unmute, calling ticket number P1740688 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Edwin Toro. Mr. Toro, please state your name for the record.
First name Edwin, last name Toro.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Mr. Toro, I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates with everything else being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it true, sir, that on March 4th of 2020 in the area of Livernois Avenue and Federal Street that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit with improper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes,
Thank you. Is it also true that on June 12th of 2025, you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
yes,
Is it also true that you did not have valid registration on the vehicle at that time, which would also make the plates improper?
yes,
Thank you. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put both of these on the same ticket. That'll make it cheaper for you.
thank you very much.
Put them both on the June 12th date. That way, what we'll do is your first one has to be 190, but I can
Yes, ma'am.
reduce the second one to 100 since it's on the same ticket, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we've got 190 and 100. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 60 days. And in those 60 days, as long as you do one of 2 things, the deal remains in place. You can pay these in full within the next 60 days. Don't try to pay today, wait till tomorrow, 290. Or you can simply, if you need a longer term payment plan, go see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them that you need a longer term payment plan, give them the down payment to start the plan in the next 60 days, and the deal remains in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Thanks. Bye-bye. All right, Victor Turner, good morning. I've got ticket number P1873301, City versus Victor Lane Turner. Mr.
Good morning.
Turner, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Victor Turner.
Thank you. All right. Looks like you're going to be admitting to the improper transport with a 3-month delayed sentence. And then on the defective or missing equipment, you're going to admit to that. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial or the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 25th of 2026 in the area of Finmore and Cambridge, that you were improperly transporting usable marijuana?
Yes.
Thank you. And then you are also admitting to the defective or improper equipment on February 25th, the same date, same location. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, what's the fine on the improper equipment?
120.
Thank you. All right, your improper transport is 190. Your other ticket is going to be 120, the defective equipment. You can pay these all in full within 90 days. You need to pay the one within 90 days. If you need a longer term payment plan on the other ticket, you may ask the cashiers and give them the down payment for that one within the next 90 days, and the deal will remain in place. If you need to come back and see me because you don't get it paid in full in the 90 days, or you pick up a similar ticket to that marijuana ticket, you'll have to come back and see me on July 7th, 2026. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Who's asking for help already? I can see this is going to become an issue. All right. Calling ticket number P1640760 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Anisha Renee Pickens. Ms. Pickens, please unmute, turn on your camera and state your name. Thank you.
Anisha Pickens.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of improper plates. Is that correct?
Yes.
Everything else being dismissed?
Yes.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on November 6th of 2024 in the area of 7 Mile and Stahallen that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to do one of two things with respect to the 190. You may come and you may pay it in full, not today. Give us at least until tomorrow so that the system can be updated. You may pay your ticket in full, or you may come see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and start on a payment plan with them by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay. Can I ask a question?
Or quickly, please.
Will they send me anything like to tell me my amount that I owe?
We will. It's 190, so you know
Okay.
it's 190, and
Okay.
you can find it on the court's their by putting in your name and saying there'll be an area that says look up a case or balance. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. All right. We've got a bunch of people in the waiting room. Attorney Ragland, I still don't see your client. You want me to move you back to room 2?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I can't move you back. I'll have to move you to
Oh, I
1
can.
and then to.
I can.
Okay.
I can.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right.
great.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We've got Alonzo Thomas ready next, but I've got a bunch of folks to let in. Attorney Dupree, which case are you here on today?
I've got 2 cases, Judge: Rodney Pearson and Shanika Pack.
This message has been transcribed.
I have Pearson and Pearson, and the first name was Roderick.
Rodney Pearson, who's on the screen right
He
now.
just came in. Okay, and who else?
Shanika Pack.
P-A-C-K?
Yes.
First name start with a C, C-H?
Yep.
Okay. All right, giving you co-host so you can get to room 2, and I'll put your clients. Let's see, where did he go? I saw Rodney Pearson. There he is. All right, Mr. Pearson, I'm going to put Mr. Pearson up in room. Yep, I'll move him to room 3.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Pearson, please join breakout room number 3. Your attorney will be there to meet with you. Rodney Pearson, you have a prompt to join breakout room 3. Please join the breakout room now. Thank you. All right, I've got a couple of people on phones with no name. If your phone number ends in 6127, please give me a name. I'm sorry. Hey, listen, guys, I don't want to spend 30 minutes doing what you're supposed to do before you come to court, which is naming your devices. Please speak up, give me your name clearly so that I can hear it. If your phone number ends in 6127,
It's
I need your
Kyra
name.
Pastorino.
Kyra, Kyra?
Yes.
Okay, and spell the last name.
Last name Pastorino.
Did I do that right, Madam Clerk? Pastorino?
Pastorino.
Okay, all right. Ms. Pastorino, have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I have not.
Okay, thank you. All right, next to the phone number ending in 3983. 3983, you need to unmute and give me a name, please. Right, there's a device that
Jermaine Pace. You can hear me?
yes, I can. Spell the last name, please.
EACE.
Thank you. And have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. I have a device that just says Bellamy. I need a full name, please.
Gary Darrell Turk.
Gary, Gary, and spell the last name.
It's 2 R's in Gary. Last name Turk.
Thank you. Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, I haven't.
Thank you. And Mr. Parrish, is it Demarion Parrish? Please unmute.
Demarion.
Good morning, Demarion Parrish. Good morning. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. For all of you, I'm going to get you into breakout rooms. You're not our first wave of people here this morning. So there is a bit of a wait for the attorneys. They're moving pretty quickly. You're going to see invitations to the breakout rooms. They will be with you. Please don't use that help button. It makes me stop court out here and makes everything take longer. Okay. You're going to start seeing these invitations pop up. If you're waiting in the room for the attorney and you know you need to show them things like registration, insurance documents, etc., gather those things together now. Mr. Parrish, you're going to 25. Mr. Turk, you're going to 26.
26.
Mr. Pace, you're going to 27. Why do I have Ms. Pastorino on 2 devices? Ms. Pastorino, why are you on 2 different devices? All right, may I have the Alonzo Thomas file and the David? There we go. Thank you. David Pinnell will be ready next. Calling ticket number P1872935, City versus Alonzo Thomas. Mr. Thomas, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Alonzo William Thomas.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license with the insurance charge being dismissed for the plea. All of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on February 28th of 2026 in the area of Connor and East Warren, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, that's true, Your Honor.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay this in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things in the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Mr. Pinnell, please turn on your camera and unmute. Calling ticket number P1867634, City versus David Charles Pinnell. Mr. Pinnell, please state your name for the record.
My name is David Pinnell.
Thank you and good morning. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license with the insurance charge being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Did counsel advise you that you have the right to the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
All right. So before I take your plea, you are pleading to Mr. Portia. Is that your name? Why don't you unmute, sir?
Yeah, hello.
Are you intending to be advertising your naked body to the entire world? Because it looks like you're not wearing a shirt. Are you wearing a shirt?
I put one on now. I put one on now.
That's a great idea. Thanks.
Right.
Mr. Pinnell, my concern for you is that you've got this ticket for careless driving, which is a civil infraction and puts a lot of points on your license, several points. It went into default, meaning you were deemed guilty because you missed a court date at some point.
Okay.
It's from 2026, so it's still recent enough for the attorney to make a motion to get that out of default and try to get you something better than a careless driving, which you already have. I would suggest that you allow me to place you back in the breakout room so they can do that, because it might change your offer entirely.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just put you back in a breakout room. Which one were you in?
I think it was 12. Yeah.
Yep,
12.
you were in 12. Okay, I'm going to move you to 13, then I'm going to move you back to 12. Okay, and I'm going to put a note on the room so that they come and revisit your case, but it's going to take a moment because they need to talk with the city attorney about it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to move you to 13, then I'm going to move you back to 12. So go ahead to 13, then watch to move back to 12.
Okay.
All right, so that's Mr. Pinnell, which I'll hold for a moment. May I have the Melvin Taylor file. Ms. Pastorino, are you able to hear me now? I don't know what's going on with her devices. Calling ticket number P1871496 and P1871479, City versus Melvin Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record.
Melvin Taylor.
Thank you. Looks like they're going to turn that failure to stop for a stop sign into a blockading so that you're getting 0 points there and it doesn't report to your insurance. And then they're going to dismiss the no insurance ticket. Does that sound right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth. You can, I just need an answer.
Oh, yes.
Thank you. All right. Are you admitting that on February 27th of 2026 in the area of Grand River and Times Square that you either failed to stop for a stop sign or blockaded traffic?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $175. You have 60 days to get it paid or to start on a payment plan by giving the cashiers a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Officer Cervantes, good morning. Which case are you here on? Have a great day, Mr. Taylor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry about my video. I have to fix it in my settings, but I'm here for Shamika Pack.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Her
Thank you.
attorney is here, I know.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and get you into room 1 to meet with city attorney. Ms. Pastorino, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, very good. And let's take your other device off. You did that. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney. There's a bit of a wait, but they're coming. Okay.
Okay.
You're going to go to room 28. Please hit join. What's going on with Mr. Portia?
He has criminal trespassing.
Mr. Portia, is it Portia?
It's Porsche.
Portia. Okay. I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get you in a breakout room. Okay. So that you can meet with an attorney. They'll be there to see you. There is a wait. Please be patient while you're in there. Just wait for them. You're going to room 29.
All right.
Thank you.
One in person.
They're ready.
Where his disregard red signal is being changed to blockading. And then he has all of his paperwork, his license is valid.
Okay, great. We'll bring him on in. All right. All right. Good morning. Good morning. I've got a device that says Morel or Merrill. What's your name, sir?
Yes, good morning. My name is Morel Pulley.
Pulley. Pulley.
Yes.
Okay. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And on the iPhone, please unmute. I need a name. You're still
Anthony
muted, sir.
Pryor. Anthony Pryor.
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, I haven't.
All right. Thank you. I'm going to put you both in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. You're in rooms 30 and 31. So there's people ahead of you, but they are coming. Please be patient.
Okay.
Mr. Pulley, you're going to room 30, and Mr. Pryor, you're going to room 31.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Do I push to join?
Yes, sir. Okay, we're going to be ready on. Ms. Pruitt is really bothering me. I can't work my computer because she keeps stopping the thing. All right, we've got Everett Tate and Cedric Thomas. And okay, guys, just give me one moment. I'll be right with you. Okay, Mr. Tate, good morning to you. And then, sir, I'll be right with you. Thank you for coming down. All right, Mr. Tate, calling ticket P1721729, City versus Everett Tate. Mr. Tate, please state your name for the record.
Everett Odell Tate. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I have one charge of displaying an altered license, which I'm told you will be pleading no contest to. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And is that because you don't remember or you're concerned about civil liability?
It's more so the latter, civil liability.
That's enough for me. That's enough.
Just want to make sure it's right.
Okay, that's the point of the no contest. I don't want you admitting to anything that you don't want to admit to, okay? Thank you. All right, I just need a reason for the no contest plea according to the court rules. This has been okayed by the city attorney. We'll use the face of the ticket to establish the factual basis. The only thing I need to make sure of is that you do understand that you do have the right to a trial here and that you have been made aware of that right and the rights that would go along with the trial. Were you made aware of that by the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you understand that a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea in terms of fines and costs.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Then you are pleading no contest to displaying an altered license on May 2nd of 2025. Is that correct at Nevada and Cliff?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a no contest plea. Okay. Thank you. All right. Court will enter your no contest plea at this time. The fine is $190. You have 60 days to either pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse by giving them a down payment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. One question for you in reference to payment. Is there an option for e-commerce? I'm sorry, online?
Yes, you may pay it
Okay,
online
great.
through the court's website. Give us a couple days to get it updated in the system. You may then go on and look for name, search, look up a case or balance. You can use your name or your ticket number, and you can pay that way online.
Okay, ticket number.
All right. All
Online.
right, Ms.
Thank you.
Horn. Thank you. Have a great day.
You as
Ms.
well.
Horn, would you mind taking a look at room 12, please? He's got a careless driving in default from 2026. You were offering him a failure to display dismissal of a no insurance, but he's got this careless in default. Would you take a look at that one for me?
Yes, if you could give me co-host.
Sure thing.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Tate, have a good day.
You all as well. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. All right, I have Cedric Thomas. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1147042 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cedric Thomas. Mr. Thomas, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Cedric Thomas.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Is it true that on December 19th of 2020 in the area of southbound Ryan and Lucci, L-U-C-E or Luce, is it true that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of registration or title?
Yes.
Is it also true that the vehicle was not properly plated due to a lack of insurance?
Correct.
Thank you. Your fine on the first improper plate is $190. I'm doing the other one on the same ticket so I can reduce it to $100, so $290 altogether. You have 60 days to do one of 2 things, and that is see the cashiers at the courthouse for a payment plan and give them the down payment or pay it in full. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, your deal remains in place, okay?
And how much is it again?
$290 altogether.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Mr. Peoples, come on up to the podium, please. Thank you. Have a good day, Mr. Thomas.
You too.
All right, good morning, sir. How are you today?
From you.
Good. All right, I'm calling tickets number P1859634 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus James Peoples. Mr. Peoples, good morning again, and please state your name for the record.
James Odell Winslow Peoples.
Thank you. The court is reviewing your valid insurance and registration documents, so all of those charges will be dismissed for compliance. Okay. And then we have one other charge, which is a fail to stop for a stop sign that went into default back in, looks like 2025 at some point.
Okay.
All right. The court can pull those out of default. Hold on just a moment. Madam Clerk, did you see these as well? There's a disregard red there. Is that also in default? Okay, well, okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
So it's not on the docket.
All right. Thank you. All right, here's what I'm going to do in keeping with city attorney's normal policy. You have a couple of tickets that win. You also have a disregarding red or yellow light from 2023.
Okay.
And an expired plate that went into default in 2023. Okay. I can't remove those because they've gone too far back.
I understand.
So what I'm going to do then with the 2025 one, I'm going to pull that one out of default and dismiss it pursuant to all of this. Okay. Because you're still left with those, and that's what the city attorney would normally do there.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll pull that out. Yeah. And that one will be dismissed. And that'll just leave you with that other one to stop, that one's already on your license and all that. So you'll just need to get on a payment plan with those two at some point, okay? But I've dismissed everything that was on the docket for today. All right. Have a wonderful day.
I'm sorry. On the other ones, I gotta go downstairs and take care of them, or we.
So the two that you have in default for from 2023, you should do that at some point.
Go downstairs.
Yeah. We might be able to take off.
We'll need to take it off. Amnesty is over.
Okay.
So I'll need to take off the late fee.
Okay. All right. So we'll take the late fees off for you so that you can get on a payment plan or whatever and get those taken care of. Okay.
All right. So come back to tomorrow, sort of the process, or kind of today.
I'll have to stop and do it now.
Yeah,
Well, I'll come a couple days later.
Yeah, give us a couple days to get everything updated in the system, okay?
Thank you.
Yonder, do you have his license up there?
Did you put his license in the folder?
Yeah, everything is in that folder.
I don't know. Don't give me anybody's license. I only saw the registration and insurance documents in there. All right, give us just a minute.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna get, we'll make sure.
Okay. Let me sit here. Sit here.
Let's see.
Okay.
It's slid in there.
I'm telling us here with all this paper.
Nope.
I have it. You have it? Okay, I was gonna say, I didn't see it in the folder.
Thank you, ladies. Have a great day.
All right, have a great day. All right, let me finish filling this out now.
Thanks.
Okay, we got these in default. These are being dismissed. She's just gonna keep using the help button. I'm gonna just have her come down here in person. I can't deal with this. All right, we need to start bringing some more folks out.
Hello?
Yes, Ms. Pruitt.
Yes, hi. Good morning.
Good morning. So when you use that help button like you're repeatedly doing in there, it stops me from running court here.
Just wanted to know if I was still in the waiting room, because that's what made me feel like I was just.
Breakout room to wait for the attorney to come and see you. I can't do anything with your matter until they come and see you.
Okay.
And they are right now in rooms 15 and 16. You were previously in room 22. We are now up to room 32. So if you can't return yourself to 22 and wait for the attorney there, I don't have any choice but to put you in 32. So I need you to look at your device, back to the waiting room, and then wait patiently for the attorney to get there.
Thank you. I just didn't know what I was waiting on.
Okay. All right. All good.
Okay.
I just need you to try to get yourself back there. Okay, Ms. Pack, your attorney is here. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. There is an officer here in your matter. I'm going to go ahead and put you in room 5. So Attorney Dupree will be able to see you. He's already here talking with City Attorney.
Know how to get back into the break room.
And I don't have the ability to put you there. So either you're going to have to hang up and call back in and I can try to put you back in 22, or I'm going to have to put you in 32.
Okay. Okay. Because I can't get back to When you clicked in, I can't get back to the room number that I was in.
Okay, well then you'll have to hang up and zoom back in again.
Okay. Thank you. I'll
Jermaine
be right
Pace.
back.
Jermaine Pace, were you not already in a breakout room?
I was, but nobody. It didn't.
All
It
right,
was just
same
quiet.
story, Mr. Pace. There, same story. And I know you got here pretty recently. So, you know, I can't keep stopping court to do this because you guys want to know if your wait's almost over. I don't know. They're making their way to you as quickly as possible. And I don't even see where you were now. So you left the meeting altogether. Which room were you in?
27.
All right, they're coming. Please go back to 27 and wait for them. Ms. Pruitt, just call back in so that you can get into room 22. Did I get I know officers here on Pack. Is there an officer here on Pearson?
Pearson is the final pretrial. We only have one officer there.
David Pinnell has an offer on his civil infraction, so we should be. What's going on with Attorney Wallace?
He's in 15.
I know, I just don't see anything happening. Just people are getting restless, so I'm trying to understand what's going on. Okay, Ms. Pruitt, I'm going to put you back in room 22, Ms. Pruitt, okay? And then just wait for them. They're coming. Mr. Pinnell, why did he just leave? Why did Pinnell just leave?
Did you ever come back?
Is that what he did? He went back in? Here, I'll move them in.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Thanks. What's Dartel Palmer here on? He's got an. All right, which one you ready on, Dupree?
Judge, ready on Mr. Pearson.
Okay, we'll bring him out. Thank you. And then Mr. Pinnell, I'm going to get to your matter again. Just give me just a moment. I'll take the Pearson file. Okay, Ms. Pruitt, I'm going to do this one more time. I'm going to send you to breakout room 22. You need to wait there for the attorneys. Please hit join. Go to the breakout room. Yes.
Judge, I'm sorry. I
Dupree.
just saw Miss Pax actually here. I'm going to jump in and grab her because she'll be ready too.
Okay, great. Thanks. Okay, Mr. Pinnell.
Yes.
All right, so they have agreed to remove the default on that careless driving, which would have been, I think, at least 3 points. They're offering you 1 to 5 over speed to take that down to 1 point if you want to do that.
Yes.
Okay. Give me just a moment and then we'll get to that one. Which room was Mr. Pinnell in?
12.
All right. So they've changed the offer to dismiss the insurance and license if you want to plead to the 1 to 5 over. Is that correct, Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor, on the careless.
Oh, yeah. And are you revising the offer or is he still pleading to the FTD?
If he wants to do an allowing, the people will open up the floor for that.
All right, thank you. So Mr. Pinnell, that's a better deal because it's not a driving offense. It's called allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And then you'll have your 1 to 5 over speed. reducing your careless down to 1 point. You want to do that?
Yes.
Dismissal of the no insurance. Okay.
And Your Honor, the people will generously take off the FTD as well, the no ops. Just try to get your license, sir.
Yes, I'm on process 7 now.
Yep, I'm trying to help you. All right.
Okay, very good. All right. So then, Mr. Pennell, we've already been through your whole process of swearing in and all of that before. You're just admitting then that on February 18th of 2026 in the area of Santa Rosa and West Davison, that you were going at least 1 to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. That fine is $125. You have 60 days to get it paid.
Yes, ma'am.
If you can't pay within the 60 days, you can also start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. If you do that, then also you keep your deal in place. Okay.
Is it a number I can call for that or something? For the payment plan?
So you can go on the court's website, give it a couple days. If you want a payment plan, you have to come down to the courthouse, go to the first floor and talk to the cashiers. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Madam Clerk, I need some files. So I need Keith Thompson, I need Shanika Pack, and I need Rodney Pearson. Attorney Ragnan, I still don't see your client here. What are we doing in your case?
Your Honor, I want the court to be aware that he did not show up also back on March 25th when he was supposed to. He didn't respond to one phone call previous to that, or numerous text messages or phone calls. Since then, I've tried to call him numerous times. Doesn't return calls. I've sent him texts. He doesn't return texts. I have this yesterday and today, numerous text messages and phone calls, and I have no response from this client. I want to make sure the record is clear about that. And even though I would hate to see a warrant get issued against any defendant, I'm not sure how we're going to get in touch with him since he won't respond to me. And maybe.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going to just call the case number so all this is on the record. Calling SP 183-78522, SP 183-79011, and SP 183-78521. All of these are City versus Trenton Penn. For the record, Attorney Ragnan, just place your appearance, please.
Samuel A. Ragnan, Your Honor, P23-157 on behalf of Defendant Penn.
Thank you. Attorney Ragnan has described his many efforts at getting in touch with his client, Mr. Penn, who has failed to appear, who has not responded to him. What I'm going to do, Attorney Ragnan, I'm going to set a court date out for 30 days. In 30 days, just in case he's gotten a new phone or lost a phone or something like that. And if we don't have a resolution, then I'll have to then go ahead and issue the warrant. But at this point, I'll reset it for May 8th, 2026. Okay. So Penn, Madam Clerk, May 8th, 2026. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number. Thank you, Attorney Ragnan. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a great day. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you. All right, calling ticket number SP 184-23401 and any other related matters on today's docket to City versus Rodney Pearson. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for Mr. Pearson. Mr. Pearson, would you state your name, please? Rodney Pearson.
Rodney Pearson.
Thank you, Attorney Dupree.
Judge, this matter, as the court may recall, has been adjourned. We're waiting for an OWI warrant to catch up that arose out of the same incident. We're asking the court to adjourn again to give that warrant some more time to catch up.
Hold on. Excuse me. It said a warrant?
It's a request for a charge, Mr. Pearson.
Oh, I'm not saying for my arrest. So
Mr. Pearson, stop. I'm just trying to understand where we are procedurally right now. I'm not trying to determine your innocence or guilt. I just need to understand, like you, because this is new to me too, what's going on with this ticket, Ms. Horn. I've been on this side of things where we are sending things over to the prosecutor's office. These things can get lost for years. What are we doing? How long is this going to go?
Yes, Your Honor. And so I believe I did bring this to my supervisor supervising attorney Shannon Walker's attention. I did advise Mr. Dupree right when we get done. Actually, I'm in the middle of forming an email to her regarding this incident that occurred on December 11th of 2025, and out of the charge that's currently on the
Mr.
docket.
Pearson, Mr. Pearson. I don't know if you think this is the Rodney Pearson show or what's going on over there. I'm going to turn off your video.
Thank you, Your Honor. And so just wondering where it's been, because we have had several delays being processed, as you know, Your Honor. Sometimes this happens, but for me to be prosecuting it, I need this to move a little faster because we are getting some that are as late as, as July, So yes, I'm going to put some pressure on it and see what's going on, Your Honor.
How much more time do you want before I bring it back again?
Dupree, I'll leave it up to you. I'm going to just work on trying to get this moving.
Judge, I think to be realistic, I would set 60 days.
All right, I'll set it for, go ahead, Ms. Warren.
If I get something sooner, because usually we have a spreadsheet that shows, and then if the warrant is signed sooner by Ms. Walker, once it comes here, I will advise the court and defense counsel, Dupree.
All right, so I'll set this for 60 days, but we're going to need to do something in 60 days. June 8th at 8:30 in the morning, or 9:15. I'm sorry, Attorney Dupree. Can you do June 8th at 9:15?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, June 8th at 9:15 on Mr. Pearson. All right, and then we'll call your other matter, but I do need to get that officer out here. Oh, they're not there anymore. Okay, we'll call the PAC matter, which is calling ticket number P1811866, City versus Shanika PAC. Attorney Dupree.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for the defendant. Ms. Pack, would you state your name, please?
Shanika Pack.
Thank you. And how are we proceeding?
Judge, the people have proposed a resolution on this matter under which the defendant, under which the case would be dismissed upon a stipulation of probable cause. This was at the officer's request in the interest of justice. We would ask the court to adopt that proposed resolution. We would stipulate to probable cause.
Thank you. Noted. All right. Ms. Horn is not objected to that representation, so I assume that she is in agreement with it. This case will be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
And Ms. Pack, I wanted you to, Ms. Pack, before you leave, the officer said you were very nice. I think she's still there. He said you were very nice, but your passengers weren't as pleasant.
I know, listen, I don't even know them no more.
Good. I just want to throw that out there.
I was just going to say, watch the company. All right.
Yes,
All right.
Thank you guys. Have a great one.
Okay, you too.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good morning.
Okay, you too.
Okay, all right, let's get to Keith Thompson and then we'll get to Jesse Potter, okay? And then Diamond Terry. Mr. Porsche, I see you've come out of the breakout room. I'm going to send you back again.
Go there. I
They
waited
will
like
be-
15, 20. I don't
I
plead
don't
guilty.
care, Mr. Porsche.
You don't care if I won't plead guilty?
No, I really don't care. That's completely up to you. What I also don't care about is that we've been waiting to see you since 2019. So you're going to have to wait a little more to see the attorney. There are a lot of people. You know what, Mr. Porsche? I'll do you one better. You can come on down here in person. I've already had an issue with you appearing on camera with no clothes on this morning.
Right.
Now you're disrupting my session because you're tired of waiting 30 minutes when we've been waiting to see you for what, 6 years?
I live in Los Angeles now.
Excuse me?
I said I live in Los Angeles, California.
Well, then you can wait in the breakout room or you can have a warrant sitting in Detroit waiting for you. I'm going to put you back in the breakout room. You should wait there to see the attorney. They will be with you as soon as
Can
they
you make
can.
someone there?
Join now and then wait. They will
Make
not be
someone
there
there.
until they get there. Join now and wait or I will remove you and issue a warrant. Join the breakout room now. Calling ticket number P1579908, P1821819. City versus Keith Thompson. Mr. Thompson, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Keith Thompson.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, one count of improper license or improper plate, sorry, and then 2 other matters would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I affirm.
Thank you. You can go ahead and put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that on November 20th of 2025 in the area of West McNichols and Tracy, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. And is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. So on your failure to display, that fine is $190. I have the improper plate on the same ticket, so I can reduce that one to $100, giving you $290 altogether. I'm giving you 60 days to either pay it in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. As long as you do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days, this deal remains in place. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Thompson. Have a great day.
You too.
Now I've got Rodney Pearson back. Well, I'm not, please do not let him in yet. I'm not ready to deal with him. Mr. Potter, good morning to you. Calling ticket number P18. Good morning. Calling ticket number P1871469, P1870160, City versus Jesse Potter. Mr. Potter, just state your name for the record for me, please.
Jesse Potter.
Thank you. Mr. Potter, looks like you're going to plead guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, and they're going to reduce that failure to stop at a stop sign to blockading so that you don't get any points and it doesn't report out to insurance. They're going to dismiss the no insurance. Is all of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, they did not.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am guilty.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, they did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Understood, Your Honor.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on February 27th of 2026 in the area of Grand River and Times Square, you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Thank you. You are also admitting to blockading traffic at the same date and location. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. On your failure to display, Madam Clerk, can you see if I can enter $100 fine on the failure to display since it's on the same ticket as this blockading? It's on same date. So we've been having luck doing that when I have the same date, but I want to make sure to allow you to enter it that way. Yes. Okay. Thank you. All right. But I was just trying to see if I could reduce your fine, Mr. Potter. I can. So on your failure to display, it's going to be 100 instead of the usual 190. And that's because you have the blockading on the same ticket, which is 175. Okay. So you have 60 days. You're welcome. You have 60 days to deal with it either by getting on a payment plan or paying them in full. Don't try to pay anything today. We need a couple days to get the system updated. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks. Right. Diamond Terry, good morning. Calling ticket number P1872799, City versus Diamond Terry. Miss Terry, please state your name for the record.
Diamond Terry.
Thank you. It appears you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of charge of failure to display a valid license with everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes, ma'am.
I need you to speak up, please. Court reporter is trying to take a record.
I apologize. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. That's okay. All right. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes,
Just name and answer.
I swear, I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you. Is it true, ma'am, that on February 25th of 2026 in the area of Evergreen and Orange Lawn, that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am, that's true.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashier on the first floor. As long as you do one of those two things, the deal remains in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right, we'll do LaShawn Prater and then I'll get to you, Ms. Pruitt. Oh, all right. Ms. Prater is still connecting to audio, so we will go ahead with you. Ms. Pruitt, calling ticket number P1861754, City versus Fallon Pruitt. Ms. Pruitt, please unmute, state your name for the record.
Fallon Pruitt for the record, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. Looks like you are pleading guilty as charged to loitering, but for a request to a delayed sentence, which I will grant, that's fine, and community service, which I will grant, that's fine. Before I take your plea, though, I'd like to ask you if you are experiencing any issues with homelessness or pending homelessness, because I can get you into our street court program if you're interested in that, where they can help with housing, jobs, etc.
No, but you know what I am having an issue with, Your Honor, that I've been going back and forth with the city county building because they've been trying to help me. I'm dealing with a mold issue in my apartment and it's real bad in my bedroom.
Okay. Okay. May I ask you this then, because that is a housing issue. I can get you into our street court program with this ticket. And if you complete their program, then your ticket would be dismissed, just like it would be dismissed on a delayed sentence. Only you with housing, education, jobs, any of those kind of things that you might need help with. And so, because it sounds like you might need to either move or get some remediation done with the mold, right? So
yeah, and so with the city county building, I had an inspector come back out and he's going to issue them another ticket, but he gave them a recommendation. They got 30 days to make me move, but this has been going on since November, Your Honor. And it's gotten worse.
I'm going to refer you to street court. And I'm going to give you their number. Madam Clerk, would you please give Ms. Pruitt the number to street court?
Let me know when you're ready, Ms. Pruitt.
Okay, just a second. I am. I'm ready now.
It's 313.
Okay.
355.
355.
4460.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm really sorry that you're going through that. Please call them. I'm going to give you a date to come back and see me on July 7th in the morning.
Okay.
That's just to check, see how things are going with street court. That's it. And they may tell you that you don't even have to come that day. We'll see, because sometimes they just appear on your behalf and tell me that you need some more time or whatever's going on. Okay.
Okay. Far as community service, Your Honor, will I be doing that as well?
Nope, you don't. You won't need to do community service if you're working with street court. You'll just need to do whatever task they assign you, like if they want you, and they're just going to try to help you do things that you want to do for yourself. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
When do I contact them?
Now.
Okay.
Whenever.
Okay.
Yeah, I would contact them as soon as possible and call a few times if you need to. It really is a great program. And so, please make use of it. I think they can help.
And your name is Judge?
Yeah, Ramsey-Heath. Yep, you can tell them I referred you. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You are welcome. Have a great day, Ms. Pruitt.
You have a blessed one.
Thank you. You too, ma'am. You're welcome.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, now I've got LaShawn Prater, who's now frozen. Let's try stopping the video. I need to admit an unnamed device. So I'm going to do that. Please cover any sensitive eyes and ears at this time. Zoom user, I need you to unmute and please give me a name immediately or I will have to remove you.
LaShawn Prater.
Nope, not you, Mr. Prater. Ma'am, what's your name in the a blue jacket or blue hoodie?
Hi, my name is Denasia Brown.
Okay, Denasia, do you have another last name? Because Brown would not be on my pocket.
It's Payne-Brown.
Okay, thank you. All right, and what time were you scheduled for today, Ms. Payne Brown, Mrs. Payne Brown?
It was for 8:30 this morning. I've been trying to join on, but it kept kicking me off my phone
Okay,
for some reason.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. I'm telling you right now, there's a wait. The attorneys are making their way through the breakout rooms. It looks like they're in 24 and 25 right now. You're going to 30. Okay, please hit join and wait for them. They will be there to see you.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, now I've got LaShawn Prater. May I have Demario Tyson file next, please?
Yeah, I'm trying to bring them up.
Okay, thank you. All right. Mr. Prater, I've got ticket number P1657416 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus LaShawn Prater. Mr. Prater, please state your name for the record.
LaShawn Prater.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to plead guilty to 2 counts of improper plates. Another 2 counts would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today? Mr. Prater, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Everything is off. It doesn't show video or audio for him. I think he's in a bad spot.
Mr. Prater,
Yes, ma'am.
are you moving or are you stationary?
I'm stationary.
Okay. So I'm wondering why your signal keeps going in and out. So my question was, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am. It's the truth.
Thank you. Sir, is it true that on February 3rd of 2025 in the area of Plymouth and Wyoming, you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance? Mr. Prater, did you hear my question? Mr. Prater, can you hear me?
Your Honor,
Yes, Mr. Prater.
I don't know what's going on with my Wi-Fi, but yes, it's true.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, I think I did this already. Yes, you did not have proper plates due to insurance. And is it also true that your plates were not proper due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Okay. Your 2 fines are $190 and $100. So $290 altogether, 60 days to either pay it in full or see the cashiers on the first floor with a down payment for a longer term payment plan if you need one. As long as you do one of those 2 things, your deal remains in place. Have a good day, Mr. Prater. What did I just remove? Rodney Pearson. Rodney Pearson. Rodney Pearson.
Hello?
Mr. Pearson, your attorney is no longer here, so it's not appropriate for you to make statements on the record. I have given them additional time so that we can both understand what is going on with this OWI warrant, okay? But I've also told them that we will proceed at that time, whether or not they have it, because the case is not going to be allowed to just linger, okay? So your attorney got a date to come back. Please contact your attorney so that he can further explain everything.
Okay. I still. So after all of these proceedings, will my identification be returned after that?
I don't know. You're saying someone took your identification?
Yeah. Well, I got a new ID. I went and got a state ID, but they had given me a driver's license and gave me a paper one, and the paper starting to fall apart.
I see. Room 24.
He's here.
Ms. Horn.
This is his.
24. Okay, thank you. All right. Well, I don't know the answer to that because that sounds like a Secretary of State issue, not a court or a police issue. And so that's a separate branch of government that I have no control over. And so after this, I don't know if there's anything in the way of you getting your license because I don't know every jurisdiction, what you have going on in other jurisdictions. What I will do my best to make sure of though, Mr. Pearson, is that we deal with anything you have out of Detroit. Okay, so that's not standing in your way. Okay.
Okay.
And hopefully we'll get you back on the road, but I would suggest that you go directly to the Secretary of State with that question.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Can't get Mr. Tyson to come out. I've got Derek Trailer. Okay, Mr. Trailer, good morning. If you could give me that file, please. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Good morning, Mr. Trailer. How are you today?
I'm all right.
Good. All right, I've got ticket number P1702893 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Derek Trailer. Did Attorney Johnson just send you out?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Please state your name for the record.
Derek Trailer.
Thank you. Mr. Trailer, it appears you're going to be pleading guilty to 5 counts of improper plates, 2 counts of failure to display, 3 counts of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and 10 other tickets are being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, that's understood.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
And were you advised of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, understood.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, everything's going to be true.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that on March 29th of 2025 in the city of Detroit, you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Is it also true that the plates were expired at that time, also making them improper?
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. Is it true, sir, that on that same date and location, excuse me, is it also true that at that same date and location, sir, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Horn?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm glad you're here. So I've got a couple of things in default with Mr. Trailer, who is pleading to 10 misdemeanors, and you were dismissing 10. I do have a violation of basic speed law in default from March of 2025. I'm wondering if there's an offer
Maybe
on
I
that.
lost it.
Excuse me, Mr. Turk, you are not muted.
I'm sorry. I was trying to get back.
Thank you,
You're
Your
muted
Honor.
now, Mr. Turk. I'm on the record in another case. Please wait. Ms. Horn, I'm just wondering, making any offer on the violation of basic speed law.
What's the date of the ticket, Your Honor?
March 29th, 2025.
And if you could tell me the speed based on the face of the ticket, if it's on there.
35 and a 25.
I'll move for dismissal.
Okay, thank you. All right. Mr. Trailer, is it true? I think we did this one already, that at that same date and location, March 29th, 2025, in the area of Livernois and Elmhurst, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, all right. Is it also true, sir, that on July 12th of 2024, in the area of Linwood and Tyler, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
I guess yes.
Thank you. Is it also true, sir, that on July 4th of 2024, in the area of West McNichols and Whitcomb, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request? And actually on this one, I'm sorry, I'm going to revise my question, Mr. Trailer. Is it true that at the date and location just stated, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Yes, I guess, because I don't have a vehicle. I never had a vehicle, so.
Well, the actual charge is that you were driving without a license, and so we're changing that to an allowing. So if you want to, you can simply admit that you were operating without a license at that time, and we will amend it to the allowing. And so are you admitting that you were operating the vehicle without a license at that time?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That takes care of our 2 failure to displays, our allowing. We've got a couple more to do on improper plates because I've got 3 of those right now. Let's do 2 more. One moment, please. Is it also true, sir, that on February 6th of 2020, in the area of westbound 7 Mile in Edenboro, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates? Mr. Trailer, did you hear my question?
No, ma'am. Can you repeat that?
Yes. Is it true that on February 6th of 2020, in the area of West 7 Mile in Edenboro, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates?
Yes. I don't remember 20. Yeah, I guess yes.
Okay. And then is it also true that the vehicle was not registered properly or titled at that time, also making the plates improper?
Yes.
Okay, that's good enough for me. All right. So I'm going to give you your fines. You've got 190, 100.
Hold on, man. 1 second. Okay, you can go.
All right. So you've got 190, 100, another 190, another 100, another 190, another 190. And then I have another 190 and another 100. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things here. And for the record, everything else that you have is being dismissed.
Okay,
So
that's great.
Okay, I'm giving you 90 days to do one of two things. Pay these off in full, or if you can't pay them in full within the 90 days, that's okay. You can also go see the cashiers down on the first floor of the courthouse and tell them that you need a longer term payment plan. When you do that, they'll ask you for a down payment on that payment plan. As long as you give them the down payment, within the 90 days and start on your payment plan, this deal, including all of these dismissals, remains in place, okay?
Okay. So can I ask a question?
And
so that's like if I saved up and then like if I saved up on the 80th day before my 90 days, I can take them the whole full amount right there and it accept and clear everything.
You can. And if you can't do that, you can also go
Freezing.
see
I couldn't
early
hear you.
on.
It's freezing.
That's okay. If you can't do that, you can also go kind of
I
early,
can't
like
hear.
soon.
Sorry, I can't hear. It went super low now. Your volume went super low. Yeah, I can't hear nothing now.
Can you hear me now?
No, it's super, super low, like really low.
Okay.
And Your Honor,
all
that
I'm
has to be
saying
his
is-
phone. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know.
Yep.
Right.
mhm.
So 90 days to either pay it or start on the payment plan. Have a good day, Mr. Trailer. I have the Gary Turk file, please.
Yeah, he show cause, he has not awarded that.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Turk, please unmute now. I'll send you a prompt. And then Ms. Horn, I'll ask for your attention for just a moment. Mr. Turk was sent out here with a plea to a failure to display. However, this matter was set for show cause today, Mr.
So
Turk.
as I'm
What that
done.
means- Goodbye, Mr. Trailer. Have a good day. You're done.
Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Turk,
Yes.
you have a number of tickets that are in what we call warrant status. Okay, I'm going to remove the warrants today, but you have quite a few tickets for improper license, improper plates, no insurance, etc. So
I'm sorry, but I just went and I paid every ticket that I owed in Detroit, in Holland Park, every ticket that I owed. I'm trying to get my license.
Mr. Turk, hold on, and then let me see if we can pull that up and confirm all of that. It may be that it just didn't get updated soon enough in your file. Okay, so just hold on 1 second.
Yes.
They're showing open.
The warrants he can't pay because.
Yeah.
And then
I think.
But yeah.
So Madam Clerk tells me she just checked this morning and they're showing that these have not been paid and that they're still open. So if you want, I can give you a date to come back so that maybe these will catch up or they can deal with all the tickets at once. Because what's going to happen is if I let you walk out of here today, if I give you a plea to a failure to display, you still have all these open matters out here. And so you can either wait around today and see if we can resolve it, but I don't know how long that will be, or I can give you a date to come back when we can try to pull everything together.
Okay. A date to come back, please.
Okay. What I am going to tell you though is if your tickets were in warrant status, they would not have allowed you to pay them. You have to come and clear the warrants first. And these tickets were in warrant status. So you may have paid some tickets, but if they told you paid everything, that is probably incorrect because you have tickets. We have tickets that are called civil infractions. Think of those as kind of typical speeding tickets, etc., running a stop sign. And then we have tickets that are misdemeanors, okay? Those are your not having a license, not having insurance, not having the right plates on the vehicle. What we're looking at in your cases today that I can see is a number of misdemeanors where you still have open charges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It looks like 8 of them at least in warrant status. So we'll get those dealt with on your next court date, but you should be prepared to hear that there were not previously paid or resolved, and you're welcome to bring your receipts with the ticket numbers and we'll try to get them all reconciled, okay? I will give you, can we bring him back and can you come back in 2 weeks?
Excellent. Where can you get a list of
Yeah,
those?
where can I get a updated list from? Because between the Secretary of State and the state of Michigan, they said that I paid everything except one ticket, and then when I paid every city and all of this stuff, they said everything was good, and then they came back with the one ticket, and now
Okay.
the one ticket
So what
is
we'll
like
do, yeah, so definitely bring those, if you have those letters, you know, you can get a copy of this from the cashiers on the first floor. They can print out for you what you owe and on what tickets. You can try to match those things up, okay?
okay.
All right, so I'm gonna bring you back in 2 weeks. What's that date, Madam Clerk? Okay, so April 23rd, Mr. Turk. I'm sorry, one moment. April 22nd, Mr. Turk. Come back April 22nd at 8:30 in the morning. We'll look to see if these have all caught up to each other and we'll try to get all this sorted through, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll see you April 22nd, 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you.
And we'll remove the warrants. So we'll make sure there's no warrants out there. Okay, have a good day, Mr. Turk.
You too.
Okay, and let's get to Mr. Pulley. Kevin T, were you already in a breakout room before? Unmute, please.
No, ma'am.
All right, what's your full name, please?
Kevin Trotter, Trotter.
And what time were you scheduled for court today, Mr. Trotter?
10 a.m.
Oh, this is another one of those cases. Could you check Trotter, please? This is another one of those where they're sending people the wrong place, the wrong time, I think. Give me just a moment, Mr. Trotter. I'll be right with you. Calling ticket number P1260983, City versus Morel Pulley. Mr. Pulley, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Yes, good morning. My name is Morel Pulley.
Thank you. Mr. Pulley, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, with the insurance charge being dismissed pursuant to your plea. Does that all sound right to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to
No.
get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand that you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that on October 7th of 2021 in the area of 7 Mile and Avon that you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. Your fine is $190, 60 days to get it paid in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things within the next 60 days, your deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Kevin Trotter was scheduled for 8:30 this morning. He has our license suspended, license still not valid, and he has a refund.
All right, thank you. Give me just a moment. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Tyson, unmute, please.
How you doing?
Good. What's your full name, please?
Demario Tyson.
All right, that's what I thought. Let me find your offer, Mr. Tyson. All right, you're pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display. Is that correct?
Yes.
And I need you to activate your camera, please. Did anyone?
Say that again?
I need you to turn your camera on, please.
Okay, hold on one second.
Please be prepared, everyone, to turn on your camera if you are entering a plea. I have the Denasia Payne Brown file, please. Mr. Trotter, I see you're pulling out your license, but we're showing that it's still not valid.
I just got these are brand new. This is a brand new enhanced. I didn't have license ID. This is a brand new license. I just got this. This is my chauffeur's license.
When did you get it?
Well, January.
So you didn't just get it.
Well, I've been had. I got a license.
Mr. Trotter, the question is not whether or not you possess a driver's license in your hand. It's whether or not the license is good and valid for driving.
Well, I just came up to 36th district on 3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, excuse me. And she cleared up. She said I had a warrant. She cleared up the warrant, gave me this court date, and told me that my license were back valid at 36th district.
Yeah, I mean, something is wrong because is your birthday in December?
Yes, ma'am. 12/25/19.
Don't stop. I don't want you
I'm
to
sorry.
tell the first your date of birth and your name. Just answer my questions, please.
Yes, ma'am. My birthday is in December. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So something is wrong because the Secretary of State is telling us that your license is not valid. They are telling us that you are disqualified from holding a CDL. They are saying that your this is not. All right. You're going to have to wait a minute, Mr. Trotter. I'm probably going to have to bring you back because something hasn't caught up from the Secretary of State, but I've got some other matters that I need to deal with. Okay. Just let me deal with them quickly and then I'll get back to you.
Yes,
Mr. Tyson, back on your matter, P990272 and 184572921. These are City versus Demario Tyson. Mr. Tyson, state your name for the record, please.
Demario Tyson.
Thank you. Mr. Tyson, it appears you will be pleading guilty to, where did it go? Now it's off of the breakout room and it's not on your name because you left and came back. I am really not having a good day today. Everything that can go wrong has gone wrong. One moment, Mr. Tyson. Looks like you're pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license with everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding? Mr. Tyson, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Thank you. Has anyone promised you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yeah.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yeah.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yeah.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on September 9th of 2018, in the area of 7 Mile and Cary, you operated a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yeah.
All right. You can put your hand down. Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to do one of two things: pay the fine in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here and ask them for a longer term payment plan if you require one. Give them the down payment within the 60 days to start that payment plan and your deal remains in place. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Your Honor, just as a note on the Trotter file, I'm reviewing his Secretary of State record. Looks like he had a sanction from 12/18 to 12/25 to January 26th of 2026. But it looks like on the date that the ticket was issued, which is November of 2025, it appears he had a valid license. The last sanction was from 9/11 to 2022 before that December one.
All right, thank you. So
I'll move for dismissal on the license suspended.
Okay.
And did we already handle the fail to stop?
No.
Okay. The people will offer a blockading. It says not valid, but it looks like January 31st, the suspension was ended.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
All right. Be right with you again, Mr. Trotter, in just a moment. Ms. Pastorino, calling ticket number P1855156, City versus Kyra Pastorino. Ms. Pastorino, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Kyra Pastorino.
Thank you. Looks like you're pleading guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license. I don't recall anyone asking me for a Secretary of State report on you. Is your license valid at this time?
I thought it was when I paid off all my tickets, but I just was told that I have this
Showing us
one
the-
ticket, which is a misdemeanor for the license, suspended
Okay.
license. So
Okay, all right. So then this one is a reduced charge to failure to display a valid license. Is that consistent with your understanding?
yes,
Okay, and did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
no,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes,
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
yes,
Thank you. All right, ma'am. Is it true that on January 21st of 2026 in the area of Maross and East 94 Service Drive that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
yes,
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid. You may pay by going to the court's website, using a DivDat machine in the city of Detroit. You can put your hand down. Using any of the DivDat machines in the city of Detroit, if you have exact change, or you can come start on a payment plan with the cashiers within the next 60 days. And as long as you do that, by giving them a down payment, this deal remains in place. Okay?
okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
To confirm her name, the license different from the name of the ticket.
Well, I just did it. I spelled
Oh,
it.
okay.
Yeah, it's my error.
Okay, that's what.
Calling ticket numbers P1851278 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Janasia Payne Brown. Good morning again, ma'am. Sorry, I misspelled your first name. Would you please state your name for the record?
Janasia Payne Brown.
Thank you. Here's going to be pleading guilty to 4 counts of improper plates and admitting to 1 count of 1 to 5 over speed. 5 other matters are being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, ma'am. Is it true that on May 22nd of 2019 in the area of eastbound Harper and Dickerson that you drove without a proper license, which we are reducing to improper plates?
Yes.
Is it also true that there was not insurance at that time, which we are reducing to improper plates?
Yes.
And is also true that the vehicle was not registered at that time, which we are also reducing to improper plates?
Yes.
Thank you. One moment. right? Is it also true that you are admitting to going the wrong way on a one-way street, which we are reducing to a 1 to 5 over speed to save you points on January 8th, 2026 in the area of Cary and Edgerton?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, and then finally, is it also true that on December the 23rd of 2025 in the area of East State Fair in Annville, that you operated a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
All right, I think that takes care of everything. I'm getting ready to give you your fines. Please let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, on your first improper plate, that's 190.
Okay.
On your second improper plate, I can reduce that one to 100, and I can reduce your third improper plate to 100.
Okay.
Okay, your other improper plate is on its own ticket, so that unfortunately goes back up to 190.
Okay.
And then your 1 to 5 over speed is 125.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got 190, 100, 100, 190, and 125. I am giving you 90 days to do one of two things. Either get these paid off in full, or you can see the cashiers at the courthouse on the first floor for a long-term payment plan. And as long as you at least give them a down payment within the next 90 days, this deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. All right. Then we will go with Mr. Trotter. You guys send everybody out. Good morning. I have Mr. Trotter who's just checked in. I'm going to put him in a breakout room for one of you. Any volunteers? There's an offer already made. He's got a license ticket, which the city is moving to dismiss. And then he has a civil infraction, which city is offering to reduce to blockading, was my memory.
I'll do it.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Trotter, I'm just going to quickly put you in breakout room number 3 so that Attorney Wallace can come talk to you about that.
Thank you.
And Mr. Wallace, just for a heads up, it appears based on the SOS, his license was valid at the time the ticket was issued, even though there were some times where it was suspended, but it doesn't appear it was suspended on the date of the license, and it should be showing as valid today, I believe.
Okay, roger that. So we're just doing blockading his offer?
That's it.
Okay, cool. Hi, by the way.
Okay, how you doing? Thanks.
Morning. All right, I haven't been able to check the breakout rooms in a minute. Attorney Johnson, does that mean you're all done?
I do believe so.
Okay, just send the email. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Emails have been sent. Take care.
All right, thanks. Bye. All right, let's get Mr. Jermaine Pace out here. Okay, we're ready on Mr. Pryor and then Mr. Porsche. I'm going to take care of Mr. Porsche and get him on out of here. Oh, I don't have his file yet. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh,
You need it?
no, I just couldn't find it.
Mr. Porsche, are you fully clothed at this time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's start your video then. Calling ticket number 458-996, City versus Jonathan Porsche. Mr. Porsche, please go ahead and start your video for me and state your name for the record.
How do I start my video?
I don't know. I sent you a prompt. I don't know what it looks like on your end. It's okay if you can't do it. Please state your name for the record.
Jonathan Porsche, Kwame Porsche.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty as charged to trespassing, but it's going to be with a 12-month delayed sentence, meaning this will be dismissed if you don't get any similar tickets for the next 12 months and you pay off your fine of $190. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand that you will not have your trial rights if I accept your plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we won't be having a trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Okay. Everything's true.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on June 16th of 2019, at an address on Woodward Avenue, that you were present at a school after being previously told not to be there?
Yeah, I was at Wayne State University.
All right, thank you. Fine is $190. You have 12 months to get the fine paid. As long as you pay that fine within the 12 months and don't get any similar tickets, we'll dismiss your case in 12 months. If something happens where you pick up a similar ticket or you don't get this paid off in the 12 months, then you'll have to come back and see me next year on April 8th, 2027 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Good.
Thank you. Have a good day, Mr. Porsche.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Pryor, good morning to you. I'm calling ticket number P1873860, City versus Anthony Pryor. Mr. Pryor, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Pryor.
Thank you. Defense counsel has had a chance to review your valid documentation as to your registration and insurance charges. They've made a motion to dismiss both of the tickets for compliance, which I am happy to grant at this time. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You have an awesome day as well.
Thank you. You are very welcome. Same to you. All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. I don't know how to get Mr. Pace out without closing the breakout rooms, which I'm about to do. All right, I needed to get Mr. Pace out and I couldn't, so I had to close the breakout rooms to do that. Are you ready on Trotter?
I am.
Okay.
He's gonna take the blocking
Blockading. Okay. All right. Calling tickets number P1825418 and P1825415. Both of these are City versus Kevin Trotter. We've got one ticket for driving while license suspended, which the city has moved to dismiss based upon the validity of the license at the time of the stop. Attorney Wallace, we also have a failure to stop for stop sign and default.
Your Honor, we'd ask if you, if that gets recalled, ask to have that recalled.
Okay, court will recall the default or remove the default.
And Mr. Trotter would like to take advantage of the people's offer, and he would plead responsible to blockading.
Okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Trotter, blockading traffic is a 0-point offense that does not report out to insurance. It's a $175 fine set by statute. I'm giving you 60 days to pay the fine in full, or if you can't pay it in full, if you go to the cashiers on the first floor and tell them that you need a longer term payment plan, they can put you on one. Just give them the down payment for that payment plan within the next 60 days and this deal will remain in place, okay?
Okay, is that tickets that you see that I can take care of today? Because I want to take care of it all. If any other ticket, take care of everything.
So the 175, can we see if Mr. Trotter has any other open matters? We'll just make sure that you don't have any other Detroit tickets, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Just hang on for me for a moment. Jermaine Pace, calling ticket number P1797968 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Jermaine Pace. Mr. Pace, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Jermaine Pace.
Thank you. Attorney Wallace, would you place an appearance for Mr. Pace, please? I have a question that I may need your assistance with.
Yes, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, P80922 on behalf of Mr. Pace.
Thank you. Mr. Pace is pleading guilty according to the notes to 1 count of improper plates and 1 count of failure to display a valid license. He has a couple of things, or at least, yeah, he's got a couple of things in default. One from 2022 for tinted windows, can't do anything about that. However, we also have a prohibited turn in default from 2025 and a tinted window from 2025, another from 2025. I'm not really inclined to remove the tinted windows that are in default and a registration because he obviously doesn't intend to remove the tint because he's just getting the same ticket every month. So that's his choice. That's fine. He can do that. However, this prohibited term ticket is placing points on the license. It is from 2025. And if you want to ask to remove the default, I will entertain that. Ms. Warren, it looks like she's still with us, so she can address the issue if she's in earshot.
I would ask that it be the default be removed and he can go forward on that. And
all right, thank you, Mr. Payne.
Can we get a blockading?
See what Ms. Horn has to say. I'm just sending her a quick chat, telling her we need her to check in with us.
Okay.
All right, what are we seeing about Mr. Trotter?
He's in a payment plan for everything, so.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Trotter, you actually don't have any other matters. So you've already taken care of them on payment plans. That's great. You don't have anything else open with the city of Detroit, okay?
Well, it's still open, but yes.
Well, you have your payment plan, right? You're on your payment plan, so you already worked out with them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, have a great day.
You as well.
Okay, Mr. Pace, I don't know how much of that you heard, but you have your improper plate and failure to display that you're pleading to. However, you have another matter from 2025 that went into default when you failed to appear for court. That's for a prohibited turn, and that does carry points on your license. So Mr. Wallace, Attorney Wallace, has moved me to take that one out of default. Madam, Ms. Horn, just so you know, he does have a number of other things that are being left in default. Tinted windows, because I don't know why you're not removing that tint, but you just keep getting the same ticket. So he's got several of those to pay, as well as a valid a registration in default to pay. But he's got this other one for the prohibited turn that I'm inclined to pull out of default and see if you'll make him an offer on that one.
Okay, and is that Mr. Pace, Your Honor?
Is.
Okay, so in addition to the ones he's got on the docket, let's see, we can do a blockading on that, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Pace, blockading traffic is about as good as it gets in traffic court. It doesn't carry any points and it does not report out to your insurance. So if you want to do the blockading traffic, we'll pull the left turn, the prohibited turn off of your record so that it's not creating those points.
You want to take that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. All right. Now, then you'll have your improper plate, your failure to display, and the blockading. Is all of that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything that I will tell you is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on June 25th of 2025, in the area of East Grand River and Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are also admitting to blockading traffic at that date and location. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it also true that on September 19th of 2025 in the area of Broadway and Witherow, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Pace, I always tell people, I can't control whether or not you get your window tint removed, but you're going to keep getting tickets for it.
I do understand.
You've got a ticket from June of 2022 that's gone into default. You've got a ticket from 2025 on a window tint that's gone into default. And then another ticket from just like 2 weeks earlier on tinted windows that went into default. So these fines are racking up for you now. Okay, they're racking up just because you're not removing that tint. And, you can make your own decision about that, but I'm saying that because I'm getting ready to impose your fines on this ticket, but you're probably going to want to see the cashiers for a payment plan because now you have all these tickets that are in default that need to get paid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So on your failure to display, that one's 190. On your improper plate, it's 100. And on your blockading traffic, it's 175. So those are the 3 fines that you're getting from me today. But you have other fines that have to be paid, okay? And so what you're probably going to want to do is go see the cashiers down on the first floor and have them roll all of these into a payment plan and give them a down payment on the payment plan to get started, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I need you to do that. Start on your payment plan within the next 90 days. And I'm giving you 90 days because you do have these other things out there and they're going to want a down payment from you. And that down payment is usually like 25% of your total. So I want you to have time to get the down payment together. You should see the cashier sooner rather than later so that you at least know how much that down payment should be. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 90 days to get your down payment and get started on your payment plan. Have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye. Okay, guys. Thank you all for all your work today.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day. Thank you, Ms. Horn, everybody
Thank
else.
you, Jess. Bye, everybody.
I'll send out the email with all the information.
See ya.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss Pillow. Have a great day.
Thanks.